Hi, this is Heather with Keep It Simple Social Media. And in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do a video private message chat using the Facebook Messenger app. So yes, Messenger is another one of the many apps that Facebook has in its family of apps. So we're going to click on the bottom where there's a lightning bolt. That app is called Messenger, and you can download it in the Google Play Store or in the iPhone App Store as well. So right now we're just going to click on the app and it opens up into Messenger. Now I can look at the people that are showing here, or I could go up and I could click on the pencil in the top right hand corner. From here, it gives me a list of the people that I have actually sent private messages to most recently. And all you have to do is click on the person's name, or if you don't see it, you can go into the search bar at the top and you could start writing out the person's name you're looking for. And when you find it, you just click to the right in the little circle, and then you click at the top and say done, unless you want to invite more people into this private video chat on Messenger. In this case, I'm just going to click done in the top right hand corner. And now all I have to do is I either write them a message, I call them on the telephone, or I click the video camera to try to do a video call. This is Heather, and I hope this helps you utilize the Facebook Messenger app privately. Remember, everyone, let's keep it simple.